Hi everyone, it's your boy Kehopuzi. I wish I was able to do those romantic voices, like they seem to be fun. Anyway, I'm going to show you 3 ways. 3! Oh man, did this guy just say 3? I mean 3 ways of color grading your footage. It's just simple like that. I don't know why this I don't know why I don't know. I don't know why these guys take so long to color grade their footage. I mean, it's only 3 simple ways, but it is what it is, you know. Maybe probably they are perfectionists or all that, but I feel like no, if you can get the skin color right, then everything will, you know, you can get that smooth orange type. Oh, I just wasted 1 minute of your time. I'm sorry, I'm new here, so I just wanted to do it different. How is it this different? I'm not so sure, but I'm going to show you how to turn this into that. Let's get it, man. Okay, so here we are at Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's the footage that we are going to work on, and know that it is important that you have to be on the color panel so that you will be able to get all this Lumetri color workspace of yours, and then you'll take it from there. So basically right now what we are going to do is let me close this. First we go to our curves, and then you know the drill, man. So they say we have to do the ass curve, and then boom, look, our footage is already looking beautiful, you know, by just doing the ass curve. But the way you do it and how you do it, you have to, like, you know, brush it a little bit. You don't have to be harsh and all that. That was our first step. Remember, I said 3 steps, and I'm going to stick to that. Like, no matter what, man, no matter what, I ain't going to tweak anything. I'm just going to do 3, then I'm done, and then that's it. That's food for thought, and then you'll tell me what you think. Then from there we go to our hue saturation curves, and then you just select your skin color right there, and then it will give you the options. Just open up here a little bit, then create another point, and then just take this up, man. Like she might look too much, but don't worry about it, we're going to fix it. Then yeah, you can see the color is already popping, man. It's already popping. Then from here we go into our last step, which is the creative. No, I ain't going to put the light over there. I'm just going to come here on the vibrance and saturation. Just dial up the vibrance and tone down the saturation, man. And then boom, you know, boom, you got your skin color correct, and then yo, it's just about it. Those 3 steps, then we are done. Like, now you can see the difference. Our footage was looking like this, and now it's like this. Oh man, if this is not beautiful, then I don't know. But then now I'm breaking my rules. But then you can come here at the basic corrections, and then you can tweak some things here and there, and then to get that, like to get the, I don't know how you want it. Some want it faded, some want it like to be sharp, but then I like my colors like with having more contrast and all that. Then you just play with these panels, man, and just go back and forth, and then that's just it. And then boom. No, it's not boom. Ha! That was too much. I wanted to close here. I wanted to be like boom. Then yeah, that's it. Okay guys, now that's how I color grade my footage. Like, I just learned that a couple of days ago, and then like I was like, damn, I was busy stressing about all this, going back and forth here and there. But then I can do another tutorial whereby I go into details like the professionals, you know. But you can leave a comment below and then tell me what you think. And then if you like this, you can leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and then yeah. I'm just complaining right now. But then yeah, I mean, yeah, like if you appreciate it, then let's do it, man. I wish I had a sponsor, you know. I wish I had a sponsor. I'd be like, hi guys, this video is sponsored by 123 Then you know, these people will give you this kind of information. And like if you're looking for those exquisite travel pictures and all, and stock footages and all that, you can hit them. And then here's their website, and then you can go to, if you want the discount, then you can be like, make words visuals, flash forward, what 1 2 3, and then you get your 25% off, and then kaboom, kaboom, you get it. Oh, I'm a gun. So see you on another one. Peace. I'm still here. Bye.